Hi guys, it's ASBYT and these are the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, which I got hands on down at the Samsung KX Experience Centre in London a few days ago. The Galaxy Watch 4 has a modern, minimalistic, sleek-looking design, sweat-proof sports band, and a low-profile bezel. Great for the sporty types and available in silver, black, green, or gold. But if you're looking for something slightly more premium or timeless, then you also have the Classic edition. Built from stainless steel with a rotating bezel, you'll be turning heads as well as the edge. Both come rocking with the same software underneath, and this is a pretty big moment for Samsung because they've moved to Google's Wear OS from their own Tizen operating system, which they had on previous watch generations, and I for one am a fan of this move. Samsung have customised the software slightly with their own One UI watch stylised skin, much like they do with their smartphones, again adding to this seamless device experience. As a result, things like Samsung Pay, SmartThings and Bixby are all available, as well as third-party apps and Google services, so there is a lot more freedom here. As an example, the built-in compass works with Google Maps, and things like offline music listening on Spotify is available. One UI Watch works in tandem with your Galaxy smartphone, syncing settings, alarms, etc., and any app you download on your phone automatically appears on your watch, which I think is a really cool feature. Speaking of features, you have auto switch, so when you're using your Galaxy Buds, for example, if you have them, with your new Galaxy Watch 4, you can be connected, but then if you transfer to using your Galaxy tablet, smartphone, etc., the Buds will automatically detect that you're changing devices and will switch to said location. And if you do have your Galaxy Buds connected to your new watch, you can check settings, battery, etc., all from your watch, which I think is another really handy feature. Now, in the past, certain Wear OS watches have often struggled with battery life, and the software has been taxing on the internal hardware. But Samsung have promised, without giving too much away, the new hardware inside the Galaxy Watch 4 series has an upgraded 5nm processor that provides an increase in CPU performance of 20%, and there's a 50% increase in RAM also. It did seem in the short time that I had to play around with it that it blitzed through everything that I needed it to do. It seemed to work absolutely fine, although the promised 40 hours of battery life with 2 hours to charge, roughly around 2 hours to charge, might leave a little bit to be desired, especially if you're going to be using some of the features that I'm going to talk about, including sleep tracking, etc. Full reviews will go into more detail on this, sub for those. So in terms of those features, traditionally Galaxy Watches have had standalone features such as blood pressure and ECG monitoring, but now Samsung have implemented a brand new 3-in-1 health sensor, or Samsung Bioactive Sensor. This can measure PPG, ECG and BIA, all from your wrist. Furthermore, you can cater the health and fitness tracking to suit you. It might be weight loss, it might be building muscle. So the new body composition tool is a really cool new development. With measurements like skeletal muscle, body fat percentage, BMI, body water, etc., you can be as detailed with your tracking as you want. And there are over 100 different fitness activities which you can link up to your Samsung Smart TV, if you've got one, to craft workout routines from home. If you've just got that little bit too comfortable not going to the gym and just staying in your pajamas and doing your workout from home. If the mentioned sleep tracking is your thing, there is a new feature now where it can monitor snoring. Seems crazy, but it can do it. The watch will continuously monitor your blood oxygen levels, and you'll be able to keep track of the exact quality of sleep and how well rested you are. The Galaxy Watch 4 will be available from the 27th of August, in sizes of either 40 or 44mm, and the Classic in sizes of 42 and 46, with LTE connectivity available on certain models, so you can leave your phone at home if you decide to go out running, for example. Prices for the regular Watch 4 will start from just £259, $369 for the Classic. That's actually cheaper than the previous generation of watches, so Samsung potentially are looking to appease a few of the buying consumers with that one. Obviously, just got hands-on, very brief, didn't have a chance to test it in full detail. Like I said, the full review will be coming very, very soon, so subscribe for that. Let me know what you think of the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic in the comment section below. Are you going to buy one of them, or you're not, and why? Love to hear your thoughts. Sub if you're new to the channel and love everything tech. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.